Preparing your home for market can feel overwhelming, but at Insiders Realty, we've developed a concierge approach to make the process as easy and stress-free as possible. In this video, I'll share how we take care of the details so you can focus on what matters most. Our concierge listing prep takes nearly all the responsibility off your shoulders. Here's what you can expect. We'll handle all of the details, from coordinating contractors to managing upgrades. We'll take care of everything. Whether it's updating a bathroom, touching up paint, or tackling landscaping, we'll help you ensure that your home is market ready with no corners cut. Professional staging and cleaning. We partner with trusted professionals to stage your home, creating a warm and inviting space that resonates with buyers. Before showings begin, we'll bring in a cleaning crew for a deep clean, ensuring that your home shines. And the best part is, the coordinating, staging, and cleaning services are done at no additional expense to you. We invest our time and resources to make sure your home is positioned to sell quickly and for top value. Our goal is to make preparing your home for market as easy as possible for you. With our concierge listing prep, you can relax knowing that your home is in great hands. If you're thinking about selling and want to learn more about how we can take the stress out of the process, let's connect. We would love to help you get started.